Hello everyone, welcome back to the Practically Blind workshop. Sorry that it's been a while, but been very busy with family life and whatnot. In my last video, I milled some slabs out of what I now believe to be just some generic pine. But a few weeks ago, I went to Maker Central and I saw a chap making garden ornaments out of logs, and that's inspired me to make something with these slabs, and nothing too complicated. I know I should probably let these season, but they're going to be in the garden, so they're going to split and crack and wear out over time anyway. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm just going to start by curving the ends around, and I'm just going to do it by eye. So yeah, I've just rounded them ends off, and now what I've got is a piece of copper pipe, and I'm going to cut this into 6 1 foot or 30 centimeter lengths. So I'm actually going to do 4 pieces at 35 centimeters and 2 pieces at 30 centimeters. It hasn't got to be precise at the end of the day. It's a garden ornament, so. So that's all the pieces cut. I'm now just going to clean up these copper pipes with a bit of wet and dry. I think it's 600 grit. Right, so next what I've done is, just off camera, I've just marked up to drill some 15mm holes to receive the bits of copper pipe. I'm just going to drill just a couple inches deep into this. So again, off camera, I've just marked some positions for the 4 legs, and I've made this block with a 10-degree bevel or 10-degree mitre, and I want these legs to splay out. So I've just put it all together off camera, and I decided to cut the two shorter pieces even shorter because it looked a bit too tall. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix up some 5-minute 2-part epoxy and get this all assembled. And there it is, all finished. In case you was wondering, it's a garden ornament that you put in the flower bed, and you can put a flower pot on, or you can just leave it as is. I've still got to put some sort of protection on it, but that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.